Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change names on TikTok. So if you want to change names on TikTok app, here's how you can get it done. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Once you open it, give you like a few seconds to load up your app. Then you tap on your profile button. You tap on your profile button. You tap on it, then you tap on the edit profile option. Then from here you can see the couple you can see the list of your profile settings. Then from there you can simply tap on the names. Then right here you can just edit it. Or here's a quick notice that you have to put back in mind. If you change your nickname, you can, if you change your nickname and you want to change it again, it takes you about like 5 working days before you can gain another access for you to change your name. So which means that you can only change your name once in every 7 days. So once you're done with you changing your name, so I'm just going to change this to Nema Media. Nema, okay, Nema Media. Okay, good, Media. I'm just going to tap on save. Then hit on confirm, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.